Hey guys, Shubham here back with another video. So today I'm gonna review newest version of the SteDroid, which is SteDroid 7.0. This version is only available for the few devices right now, which I will give link in the description if you want to download this. So as you can see, you will get this default wallpaper this time on the home screen. You won't get Google Feed, obviously it's based on the Android 11. As you can see on the notification panel, here as you can see you will get all those basic options: battery saver, screen recorder. You'll also get option for the caffeine and ambient display as well. So let's check out the screen recorder. So as you can see, is using the modified version of the Android 11 screen recorder. So as you can see, these are all the apps that are coming with this ROM. I didn't install any new apps, so as you can see here you will get audio boost, and it doesn't work before using the headphones. You will get all that basic camera, of course you just have to deal with this basic camera. But on this ROM you will get 4K resolution for the back video and 1080p for the front video, and you can capture picture in the 12 megapixel. Though I really don't like this interface and this camera app at all. Also you'll get music app, SteDroid music app. As you can see, I didn't have any music on my phone, otherwise I will show you guys. So as you can see, this version of this music app is 11 as well. You'll also get option for the gallery files, so you don't have to install any external app for that. Also this is the option that is included in the newest version, which is the Matlock. So let's check out the main, which is the setting. And as you can see on the battery setting, here you will get that basic SteDroid interface. Of course you will get option for the battery manager, extreme. Also you will get option for the extreme power saver, which is the battery saver basically. On the display, here you will get option for the night light, adaptive brightness, which will automatically change the brightness with your environment. You'll also get option for the live display, so if you want to change the display calibration, here you can do that as well. I prefer the 90% on the 3 of this profile. Also you can change the font size here, as you can see, if you want to make font larger. If you want to make all the apps use the full screen, here you will also get option for the tap to wake up. So when your phone is on the sleep, you just have to tap to wake up your phone. So let's go to the security, and as you can see, there is no option for the face unlock. Of course Android 11 doesn't have option for the face unlock. So let's check out the fingerprint scanner, and as you can see, it's working perfectly fine, and it able to add my fingerprint. So now let's check out the sound. Here you will get all the options. Also you will get direct sound enhancer. I guess it's only work for the headphone. So let's check out the SteDroid settings. Here you will get option for the status bar icons. So if you want to turn on these icons, you can do that. Here you will get option to clock settings. If you want to auto hide the clock after a certain duration, you can do that as well. Here you will also get option for the AM PM, so you will able to see AM PM on the screen. Also you can turn on or turn off VoLTE icon. Here you will get option for the battery percentage, so you would able to see the battery percentage. You can also change the battery style as well. Here you will get option for the battery bar. You can entirely customize this option. Let's check out the quick settings. Here you get option to change the tile settings on the menu. So if you want 5 tiles, 5 rows and the 5 columns, you can also turn on the vibrate on the touch, so it will automatically vibrate while touching the tiles. Here you will get option for the battery style as well. You can also change the header settings. As you can see, here you can add the custom header. So let's check out the lock screen settings. Here you will get option for the status bar and the locks icons. You can also disable the status bar on the lock screen. Here you will see able to see the weather if you turn this on. Also you will get option for the music visualizer. You can also change the charging animation. I prefer the water. You can also turn on the secure power menu. So here you can change the system navigation. I usually prefer the gestures, but if you prefer 3 buttons you can change that as well. So these are the only options you will get on this ROM. Obviously it's not stable version, it's only beta testing version. But if you want to enjoy the Android 11 while having SeaDroid OS, you can install this on your device. So as you can see, the current build is on the October 26. So let's check out the Android 11 first. Let me do that. So as you can see, Android version is 11 and SeaDroid version is 7.0 as I said earlier. Here you can see the Android 11 logo, knob. I really love this animation. I like how simple it is using it. Anyways, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to install this ROM. So first turn off your device, go to the recovery mode and go to the advanced wipe and wipe everything except internal storage. Do not wipe the internal storage. Now we install this ROM, which I will give link in the description to download. Now wait few minutes until this ROM is getting installed. So once it's done, you can go back now and install the GApps, which I will also give link in the description if you want to download. It will take few minutes, and as you can see it's done. Now you can format your data if you want to, or you can just reboot to the system. So as you can see, you should able to see this SeaDroid logo, which means you install it successfully. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe to my channel and do all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.